Alright guys, so unfortunately my soft top is ripped and I don't have the money to get a new one right now, so I'm going to show you how to fix it on a budget and some of the things you're going to need. I just have these leather needles and one of these eyelet holders or awls, and then I've got this hooked needle, and then I just got some of this waxed thread, and it's pretty thick. After I sew this up, I'm going to put some of this Flex Seal over it, and it's going to make it look like this. I'll show you here in a sec. So once it's all sealed up, it'll look like that, and I don't care what it looks like as long as the rain's not getting in my car. I know I got a big old gaping hole right there, but that's besides the point. We're going to fix this today, and then we'll get a new back window and put that in later. But yeah. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start under this edge here. Alright, once I got that hooked up, tie a knot in this string under. Get a little nice sized knot at the end of this. Once you got that, you just pull this through. Just tuck that under there. And we're just going to bring that over to the next side. That's going to start that first stitch, and then we're going to come back up underneath here. Pull that together and kind of run this up underneath. And just keep working this. Alright, and that's the last one we're going to be running through there. And once you're done with that, you're going to take one of these.
What are those?
It's just a pry tool or a screwdriver. You just keep working this out. Keep making it tighter. And as you work this string and thread, it's going to pull the stitch nice and tight. Could also use a pick. Probably make this a lot easier on you. Obviously the correct way would be just buy a new soft top, but you know what, some people don't have money for that. So alright, once you got that done, we're going to go ahead and run this back through here. And go under that same stitch that you just bring it back down. Make a loop.
This one. Look.
And then tuck your stitch down in the... I gotta put some glue on here and let it dry up, but once you got that all stitched up, yeah, it's nice and snug. I'm gonna take some duct tape, so we gotta put this under here so none of the glue comes through.
That'd be bad if the glue came through.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna tape this off because I don't want the glue getting everywhere. Just gonna tape some tape right here. Yeah, he's like, I'm not giving it back. Why would I give it back? Alright, he's gonna take some of this, smear it on here. That fool got jacked. Live GTA. I gotta fucking through my... Oh my god, his feet, bro. Hey, stop. Alright guys, this is after the Flex Seal is pretty much dried. Once it's dried enough, you can put another coat on top to seal anything that may not been sealed, but yeah, it's not gonna allow any more rainwater through these sections here and be dripping on my head while I drive. So still gotta patch this up and get rid of this, but I'm gonna just put some tape over that for now.